guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, do you remember the video I did? I think it was 3 years ago, very close to this time period because it was around my birthday. And I decided to get an Ape, you know, those little three-wheel trucks, and I just had to have this Ape. So I decided to get a tow truck, and the tow truck and I went together up into the hinterlands of Verbicaro. Now, Verbicaro is a mountainy region there, and the roads are scary. In short, I had a little incidente where I got stuck on a wall. It was Saturday evening, it was getting dark, I was low on gas, my phone charge was running out, and in a word, I was freaking out quite a lot, actually. And the worst part about it was I was following the tow truck home, and as soon as I got stuck, I got in the car and I started honking my horn, and I could see the tow truck going down the hill with my Ape all safe and secure. I'm stuck on a wall up in Verbicaro, and it's raining like it does in Calabria. If you want the whole story, it's actually pretty funny. You can go down and check it out. I put a link in the comments down there. But the whole point of doing this particular video is because I now have a way you can avoid a similar nightmare of your own and avoid things like fines for accidentally driving through the historic center somewhere where you're not supposed to, traffic fines for speeding in areas where you should not be speeding, and those can add up, parking tickets, the anxiety of driving in Italy when you don't know exactly where you're going or what the roads are like or anything like that. So I am so happy to say that we have teamed up with Trippiamo, and Trippiamo is a brilliant product that allows you to actually see where you're going and gives you all the tips and everything you need to drive in many, many countries. Of course, they picked us for Italy. Now, we were fortunate enough that they asked us to test it out, and they asked us to get some of our trusted clients to test it out and give their feedback, which they did. One of the feedbacks was, of course, hey, we need more mountain roads here, more places where we really need Trippiamo. We need you to do that. And so they complied, and they put those in as well. I'm going to show you this video about it. We are super proud to be affiliates with them. And we think that if you're going over there and you're going to rent a car or do any kind of driving whatsoever, you really need to get Trippiamo. Check it out, guys.
Heading to Italy? Most travelers end up cramped in tourist spots, missing the true essence of the country. But with a road trip, it's possible to break free from the crowds, escape tour buses, and truly explore, giving you the freedom to see more and go off the beaten path. Although a GPS helps with directions, driving on Italian roads can still be intimidating. That's where Trippiamo comes in. Forget random, unreliable internet advice. Trippiamo is the only video driving guide created by travel pros and reviewed by European driving schools. It's your key to confident driving anywhere in Italy. In just 1 hour, Trippiamo covers it all. Road signs, rules, parking, roundabouts, emergencies, avoiding tickets and fines, and so much more. On top of that, we also provide virtual driving practice, so you know exactly what to expect before you get to Italy. All accessible anywhere, anytime, on any device. For your Italian road trip, let us show you how to drive like a local. Get your guide today and get ready for an incredible adventure.